Been waiting for this box to arrive for a while. I mean, how freaking awesome is this thing? It has this really nice sturdy rope handle, and it has a handle on the bottom. So you want to dump something out, it's super easy. Let's go take it outside and try it out. Gonna give my chickens a little bit of some leaves. And I have to do everything one-handed because I do everything myself. That was super easy. I like to put a little worm tea on the compost. I think the enzymes help to foster the breaking down process and speed it up a little bit. I don't know that there's any actual science on that. Maybe there is, but that's what I do. So here's my compact compost system, and I'm just going to put some of the worm tea in. All right, and now that my bucket is filled, I'm gonna take it over to the hose and dilute it. I really like that this thing has a rope handle. It makes it easier to carry. It's easier on the hand than the plastic handles that buckets often come with. And in addition to being more comfortable, it's a little bit stronger. All right, so that's pretty well diluted. Now I'm gonna carry it over. Oh, it is heavy. Woo! I'm gonna carry it over. So yeah, that actually was pretty easy. I was able to do that one-handed. I did have to use both hands to get the bucket up onto the compost pile, but then I was able to dump it on my own. Normally that's a two-handed job.